Hi, we're the Corridores, and we hired Built to Perfection to remodel our kitchen and 3 bathrooms. And it was an undertaking for sure, but we had faith in Tomer. He was so reliable, so communicative. Every time we changed our mind, 2 or 3 times?
5 or 6 probably.
Probably.
But
He was very patient with us and recommended different features and
yeah, he was there every day. He did exactly what he said he was going to do. He was contacted us every day. Didn't leave us with any downtime, other than the ones that was our doing.
Right. And all the contractors that he hired in terms of the painters and the plumbers and the electricians, everyone was so reliable and so professional. Just couldn't have asked for a better crew of people to, trust in your home while you're here.
Yeah, and our kitchen looks amazing. So do our bathrooms. And we have to thank Built to Perfection for that.
Yeah.
They really came through.
Every time I come down into the kitchen every morning and make my cup of coffee, I'm so happy. It's so beautiful.
Yeah.
I'm so excited, and we absolutely would hire Tomer and Built to Perfection again for any other remodeling that we do in the future.
Absolutely. Sure.